is Saachi, and today telling about Lucy the mouse, how she got hiccups. And once upon a time, there was a Lucy. She was very sad because she was having hiccups. Hic. And she was she was asking, Squirrel, I have hiccups. And I eat sugar. That worked for me. So she ate sugar. Yum. But it didn't work. She still had hiccups. Hic. And then came Doggy. She said, what happened? I got hiccups. And so I drink lots of water. Then it worked for me. But it didn't work. Hic. And then came Peppa. Then she said, what happened? I have hiccups. Hic. And she said, how about you should stand on your head for a long time? She stood on her head. But nothing. What she kept falling, and we had a hiccup. Then came Fridie the frog, and then he said, what happened? I have hiccups. Hic. And then he said, maybe you should start up. Why? Patting your tummy. While patting her tummy, she tick. But she was nothing doing. Then came George, and then he said, don't worry, jump high as you can. Then she jumped very high, but she kept falling from the sky. And then came Birdy, flying high in the sky. And then she landed to see Lucy. She said, jump, fly. But she flies, but she fell down. And then came Mommy. We said, what happened? I have hiccups. Hic. And then she said, jump on your back. And she jumped on the back, but nothing doing. But then came she and oi. Then Saachi jumped. I don't understand what it is. Then she said, she's not an Aleph or an Aleph. Then he said, hoo. Then he said, see how I'm sad? I'm scared. Then she frightened. And then she realized that she didn't have any hiccups.
Yes.
And then she walked home. And then that's the end.
Very good.